Hi there. Let's play through Mele Kalikimaka. Please review the tutorial if you need to. We're just going to dive right in here, vamping on that C chord, and a nice swing strum. 1, 2, here we go. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright, the sun to shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is a wise way to say Merry Christmas to you. Start it all again. Mele Kalikimaka is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright, the sun to shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is a wise way to say Merry Christmas to you. Down to the outro. Say Merry Christmas. Merry, 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 Merry Christmas. To say Merry Christmas to you. Nicely done. Thanks for playing with me. Come on back, practice anytime. Slow it down if you need to by clicking that settings wheel and clicking on playback speed. You can take it back to 0.75 or 0.5 if you need. Be sure you're playing it through on your own too, and especially with any folks you may have around to play it with. It's a really fun one to sing in a group. Enjoy your practice.